Hey y'all, it's your girl J Brown here. I wanted to come on and share with you all my DIY denim handle covers for my large denim Rowan in the Love denim. So you guys, I took an old pair of jeans, which you can see right here, and I cut 2 long strips out of those jeans. And then I attempted to, for the first time successfully, do braided wrapped handles, kind of like how you would for a twilly. So I had to watch several tutorials, but I did a braided wrapped handle. This is the first one that I did, and so you can tell it doesn't look as good as the second one because I guess practice makes perfect. But I was so excited when I got it to look like this, and then once I got to the end of the twilly, instead of tying it, I just kind of tucked it under right here. Here's the seam, you guys, and I used some fabric glue to glue it down. So let me just back up a little bit so you can kind of see that. So that's the first handle that I did. And then on this second handle, I feel like the braid came out better on the second handle. But unfortunately, from the way that the end was falling, the seam is on the outside, kind of facing the front of the bag. Use fabric glue to secure the end, and this is how it turned out. So I want to know, what do you guys think? This was like my first attempt at DIYing some handles. I'm really not good at tying twillies on my bag, but this was a first try. I was thinking about ordering some Vachetta handle covers for like a Speedy from Amazon, but it said that it would not be available until April. And you know how us bag girlies are. We want our stuff and we want it now. So I decided I was not going to wait for that. And I said, I have some old jeans. Let's make it do what it do. Now, as an alternative, if you don't have light wash jeans that you could cut up, you can use dark colored jeans. I've seen so many ladies just kind of do their own thing when it comes to the DIY, but I think it turned out pretty cute. I love that look, and it will protect my handles. I was also considering, these are the cuffs from the bottom of the jean, and so I might use a seam ripper to kind of take it apart a little bit and maybe cut these in half and add some Velcro or some snaps and make a different type of handle cover as well. I think I did a good job, y'all. I love the way that denim color blends in with my bag, and you officially can't tell me nothing. So I hope this video is helpful, y'all, and I'll see you in the next one.